Dear students, today topic is ellipse. So we are going to discuss about J mains problems based on ellipse. See question. Find the eccentricity of the conic where x is equal to y is equal to. So in this case, what is the concept? Eliminating the variable t. Here t is a arbitrary constant. So with the help of trigonometric formulas, we are solving this one. That is, see, in this case, put t is equal to tan theta. Then what is the formula? X is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Y is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is the formula? That is x is equal to 3 into cos 2 theta. What about this case? Y is equal to sin 2 theta. So eliminating theta concept. What is the case here? Divide with 3 after that squaring on both sides. That is cos square 2 theta. Squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to sin square 2 theta. Adding corresponding terms. What is, let us see what is the answer. X square by 9 plus y square is equal to plus sin square 2 theta. This value is 1. So this is the required equation. So this one represents ellipse. Okay. Eccentricity of the conic. So clearly a square is greater than b square. So what is the eccentricity formula? Root over 1 minus b square by a square. So the result is 1 minus 1 by 9. So that is 2 root 2 by 3. That is the eccentricity of the given question. This equation represents an ellipse with major axis lies on y-axis. Major axis as a y-axis, and f is decreasing function. Then a belongs to C. Right in the question, see, x square by f of 4a plus y square by f of a square minus 5 is equal to 1. Major axis as y-axis means what here? The diagram is like this approximately. So means a is less than b is the meaning. Fine. So condition is given. F of 4a is less than f of a square minus 5. A less than b, that's the meaning. A square less than b square. And how is that? F is decreasing function. What is the decreasing function? F is. What is the definition? Suppose x1 less than x2. What is the meaning? F of x1 is greater than f of x2. That is the meaning. So remove f. That is what is the meaning? 4a is greater than a square minus 5. What is the next one? A square minus 4a minus 5 less than 0. Factorize them. What is the result is coming? A minus 5 into a plus 1 less than 0. Check it once again. So what is the result is coming? A belongs to minus 1, 5. Decreasing function. So what is the suitable function answer? D for delay is the case. So this is the answer. Let P be a variable point on the given ellipse with foci at S and S dash. If A is the area of triangle PSS dash, then what is the maximum area of A? Maximum area of A. Now see, this is the ellipse is there. What is given? P is the variable point. Suppose this is the S dash, S is there. Choose anywhere, P here or here anywhere. Now, first I am choosing parameter form. What is the parameter form of the ellipse here? That is, see carefully, 5 cos theta comma 4 sin theta. Here, what is the P? 5 cos theta comma 4 sin theta. 5. What is the Fourier? So Fourier means what is the formula? That is plus or minus a comma 0. Here clearly a is greater than b. Okay. So what is the area? 5. Eccentricity is what? Eccentricity b square 1 minus b square by a square under the root 5. That is 16 by 24. So 3 by 5 is the eccentricity. So what is the answer is coming? Plus or minus 5 into 3 by 5 comma 0. That is plus or minus 3 comma 0. So this is minus 3 comma 0. This is 3 comma 0. This is the origin. Join them. So maximum area. So draw the perpendicular. Dear students, draw the perpendicular. This is the M. So area of triangle is equal to yes, half into base into height of. What is the base? That is 6. What is the height? That is 4 sin theta. So that is 12 sin theta. Area is equal to. Area represented by capital A. What they are asking? Maximum value of A. When it is possible? So maximum of A is equal to, when it is possible? When sin theta is equal to 1. What is the range of sin theta? That is lies between minus 1 to 1. So answer is coming 12. That is the answer. Find radius of the director circle of 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36. This is the question. How to find this one? First of all, what is the mean director circle of the given ellipse? So means here director circle is given. Ellipse is given. Director circle means what here? Point of intersection of two perpendicular tangents of the given ellipse is called director circle. That means here, suppose these are the pair of tangents. Angle between these two tangents is 90 degrees. Then it's coming. What is coming? Director circle is forming like that. That's the meaning. So take it anywhere. So how to find radius of the director circle? What is the formula? Solution. Equation of director circle to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is, what is that? X square plus y square is equal to b square. Here, what is the radius? Root over a square plus b square. Now, what is the a, what is the b? Find out. See, wait. Now see, come to the question. What is given? 4x square plus 9y square is equal to 36. So converting into standard equation, dividing 36. X square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So here a square is 9, b square is 4. Therefore, equation of director circle is, what is that? X square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. This is 13. Therefore, radius, what is the answer? root over 13. That is the answer. S and S are the foci of the ellipse, and P is any point on the given ellipse. Then what is the range of values of SP into S dash P? That is the question. Okay. First of all, how to find SP? See, I am drawing. This is the S dash. Choose any one point P. What is this one? That is directrix Z. How to find SP? First of all, I am giving definition. See, as per definition I am writing. Drop the perpendicular. M. What is the case? SP is equal to E times PM. The definition of conic section. Okay. So SP is equal to E times, how to find PM, that is x1, this is the x1. So A by E minus x1 definition. Therefore, SP is equal to, what is the case? A minus EX1. Similarly, A plus EX1. Choose any one point on the ellipse. They are asking a range means better take in terms of trigonometric form, parameter form. Dear students, what is the parameter form? How to choose the point? P can be written as A cos theta comma B sin theta. What is the A? 5. B means 4. That is 5 cos theta comma 4 sin theta. That is the parameter form. 5. Now, SP is equal to A means 5. E times x1 means 5 cos theta. Similarly, 5 plus 5 cos theta. 5. Multiply them. So, SP into S dash P is equal to A minus B into A plus B, that is 25 minus 25 E square cos square theta. From this case, what is eccentricity? E square is equal to 1 minus B square by A square, that is 16 by 25. So what is the result is coming here? 9 by 25. Put this value. That is 25 into 9 by 25 cos theta. So 25 minus 9 cos square theta. SP into S dash P. 5. What is the range of cos square theta? That is 0 to cos square theta less than or equal to 1. Now, multiply with 9. 9 cos square theta less than or equal to 9. Here, placing the not sufficient. I am cutting here, cutting C. What is given? This is the result. Range of cos square theta is 0 to 1. And multiply with 9 at both sides, then I get again multiply with minus. What is the result coming? Wait. So see, so minus 9 less than or equal to minus 9 cos square theta less than or equal to 0. Now here adding 25 on both sides. What is the result? So 16 less than or equal to. So that is the range. Now what is this? That is SP into S dash B. So what is the option here? C for Chennai. That is the answer. Check it. Tangent of the slope is given to. Okay. How is that? Which is normal to the circle. Okay. Then what is the maximum value of AB they are asking? The line is there which is tangent to the given ellipse. The same line behaves as a normal to the circle. Then what is the maximum value of AB? For any ellipse. See. Okay, fine. So generally we know that normal is to the circle means this tangent is always passes through the center of the circle. That is the property is there. Normal is always passing through the center of the circle. Okay. Equation of circle is, what is that? See carefully. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here what is center? That is minus 2 comma 0. Okay, fine. Now, what is the equation of tangent? That is y is equal to mx plus root over a square m square plus b square. Okay. Slope is given. M is equal to 2. No. Y is equal to 2x plus m is nothing but 4 a square plus b square. Now this bx as this one is normal to the given circle. That means which passes through center of the circle, that is minus 2 comma 0. So replace x by minus 2, replace y by 0. What the result is coming? So 0 is equal to minus 4 plus, therefore 4a square plus b square is equal to 16. Transpose to this side, after that apply squaring on both sides. Now come to the point. Maximum value of EB is the question. What to do here? So we know one result. What is that? Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. What is that? x1 plus x2 by 2 greater than or equal to root over x1 x2. x1 is nothing but 4a square plus b square. Consider these two are elements by 2. Root over 4a square into b square. Fine. 4a square plus b square is how much? 16. That means 16 by 2 greater than or equal to how much? 4a square b square. So this one directly I can write 2ab. Now AB is less than or equal to 4. Now what is maximum value of AB? 4. So what is the option? B for both. So there are exactly an integral values of lambda. How is that? This equation represents an ellipse. Then how many values are there? Suppose second degree equation is given, represents an ellipse means what is the condition is required? Anyone? I'm writing see the formula. Second degree equation means what? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents an ellipse. Give. What is that? What is the condition? H square is less than AB. Here comparing this one. Here, what is H? That is lambda by 2. A is how much? 1. B is how much? 1. Comparing these cases. Now, substituting these values in the given conditions. What is the result? Lambda square by 4 less than 1 into 1. That means lambda square is less than 4. So, how to write this one? Lambda minus 2 into lambda plus 2 less than 0. So, this one I can write. This is the answer. Now, what is the question? How many integral values are there? That is the question. What are the integral values are there? Lies between minus 2 to 2. Lambda can be minus 1. Next, 0. Next, 1. So, what is the question? Therefore, number of integral values of lambda, that is n, is equal to 3. That is the answer. So, this type of models they can ask integral values. Numerical questions. So once again revise these questions. Find length of the longest chord of the ellipse. Okay. What is the condition? What do you mean longest chord here? See. Longest chord means here longest chord of the ellipse. Anyone? Is major axis. So this is a very very important point. Yes. But how to find? It's not a standard equation. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then we can say what is the major axis. But this type of models, how to find major axis? In general, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Suppose, then what is the result is coming here? R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, r square cos theta sin theta is equal to 1. Now here, first I am finding what is the major axis, what is the minor axis. Convert into standard form. See the diagram. So, major axis means what is the case here? Length of I am taking, that is 2a. Length of minor axis what? That is 2b. So let us find what is the A, what is the B. So in this case, take r square as a common factor. What is the result is coming? 1 plus cos theta sin theta is equal to 1. Now what I am doing? Multiply and divide with 2 in this case. That is 1 by 1 plus sin 2 theta by 2. Why? 2 cos theta sin theta, trigonometric formula, that is sin. Now r is equal to what? 1 by root over 1 plus. That's the answer. Now, so maximum means here I need maximum value. So R maximum means we get that is A. Where it is possible maximum, it should be minimum. That means 1 by 1 minus 2. What is the case? Minimum of sin 2 theta is the case. Okay? It is minimum means it should be maximum. So what is the result is coming here? 1 by 2. That means how much coming? Root 2. A is equal to. Check it. 1 by root 2. Yes. Now, what is the length of the major axis? That is 2 root